Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make honey nut snacks, and I've gotten out some cupcake papers, and I laid out as many as this would hold safely, so there's 15 of them there. Now in this pan right here, let me get over here, I am going to add 1/3 of a cup of sugar. There's 1 stick of butter in there, which is 1/2 cup. I hope this works here. 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey, and I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm going to put 1/2 teaspoon of, well, I'm not going to do that yet. Let's see. Alright, not ready yet. I'm going to put this back on the stove, and I'm going to cook it on a low-medium heat until it becomes frothy. And when it becomes frothy, I'm going to take it off the heat, and I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/2 cup of chopped nuts. I chose pecans. I guess you could use almonds or walnuts or hazelnuts or any type of nut that you want. So this is going back on the stove, and I'll be back when it gets frothy. Alright, now this is about to become what I consider frothy. So I'm going to just stir it for a minute, and I'll show you what that is. As soon as it gets there, it's not quite there. It's in the beginning stages of it. When it gets there, I will let you know. You'll be the first to know, actually. So I'm over here just stirring away for the time being. And I didn't want you to miss it. Alright, I don't know if I don't remember if I told you to preheat your oven to 300 degrees. Alright, here's my pan, and if you can see down in there, this is frothy. So now I'm going to add about 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, cup of nuts, 1/2 cup of nuts, I'm sorry, chopped nuts. I'm going to get those stirred in, and I'm going to immediately now pour in 4 cups of plain cornflakes, not sugared, just plain. And I'm going to get them all mixed in, coated nicely. You see, it doesn't take much. Get this stuff out of the way here. Make sure you get them all coated because you want them to stick together. Alright. Now, I'm going to get 2 spoons, and I'm going to place, I want to say, a serving size in each cup. You can make them as big or as little as you want to. Can you see me doing that? No, you cannot. Let's get over there. The other spoon is just to help the stuff get out of there. A little bit messy, but not bad, honestly. I want to put a little more in that one. And quite a bit more in this one. Don't worry about what falls. It's not going to matter. It won't be that much anyway. I can tell you right now it's going to make more than 15. This would be sweet on Thanksgiving or Christmas. About through. I'm going to finish doing these, and I'll probably have to get another sheet, and I'm going to put them in the oven, and then we'll be back. Alright, well, our little snacks are done. I left them at 300 degrees for 12 minutes. And what they do is they stick together. And I'm going to let my granddaughter Angel taste them, and she's going to tell us how she likes them. Go ahead, Ange.
It's buttery.
Yeah.
It's like butter. It's good.
Yeah. There's butter and honey and cinnamon and chopped pecans in there. You like them?
Yep. Good.
Alright guys, this is our little snack. I hope you give them a try. I hope you like them. Thank you for coming in today and spending part of your day with me. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. Let me see if I can zoom in a little closer. And until next time, you all take care.
Yeah.